One of the key components of a person's beauty is clear, lovely skin. Additionally, great skin makes you feel gorgeous. Your skin's health is primarily determined by your skincare routine and lifestyle choices. Stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, pollution, sun damage, heavy drinking, and smoking are some of the main variables that affect the quality and texture of your skin. There are countless skin and cosmetic care products on the market that claim to offer you clear, radiant skin. To improve the general health and appearance of your skin, consider these straightforward home treatments rather than relying on these items. 1. Turmeric. Scars and other marks can be lessened with turmeric's great skin lightening and antibacterial properties. Make a paste by combining equal parts of gram flour and turmeric powder with a small amount of water or milk. It should be applied evenly to your skin, then left on until it dries. Apply lukewarm water to your skin and gently rub in a circular motion to remove it. Once a week, use this solution to lighten your skin and get rid of scars. 2. Lemon. One of the best components for promoting clear skin is lemon. Lemons include citric acid, which keeps the skin clear, and vitamin C, which lightens blemishes. Apply lemon juice that has just been freshly squeezed on your face and neck. After 10 minutes, wash with warm water. After that, massage slices of cucumber into your skin to hydrate and soften it. Consider applying this on a daily or weekly basis. 3. Baking soda. The pH levels of the skin are balanced by baking soda, which is crucial to maintaining clear skin. Additionally, it aids in the treatment of issues including spots, pimples, and acne. It also functions well as an exfoliating agent. To form a paste, combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water or lemon juice. After washing your face, gently exfoliate the skin with the paste. 4. Aloe Vera. The skin can benefit greatly from aloe vera. It can help to repair scars and soothe irritated skin thanks to its antibacterial characteristics, which also aid to destroy acne-causing germs. It works wonders as a natural moisturizer. An aloe vera leaf should provide gel. Utilizing a cotton ball, apply the gel on your face. After allowing it to dry naturally for around 30 minutes, wash it with lukewarm water. 5. Mint. Menthol, the primary component of mint, offers cooling and calming effects that support healthy, beautiful skin. Additionally, it has excellent healing qualities that aid in the prevention of skin infections. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth, 1 teaspoon of mint powder, and 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. After a half hour, mix it to create a smooth paste. On your face and neck, apply the mixture. Keep it on until it naturally dries. Use the home remedies of your choice frequently by adhering to these suggestions to notice benefits. 6. Cucumber. The moisturizing, nourishing, and astringent qualities of cucumbers are excellent for the skin. They can give your skin a more youthful shine and enhance its overall appearance. Slice up a fresh cucumber into thick pieces, then rub the slices all over your face thoroughly. After leaving it on overnight, rinse it off in the morning with warm water. Every night before you go to bed, do this. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.